Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get into the Ticketmaster waiting room faster in 2026. So if tickets sell out before you even get in, this will help you move ahead of most of the people. So first of all, you need to come here on ticketmaster.com. After that, you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now you need to do this at least 15 minutes before tickets go on sale. Don't wait till the last time. Now here you are going to see this type of concerts list on the home page. You can also use the search bar here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can just simply look for the events. So here you need to open the event page and you need to stay on this page. About 10 minutes before sale time, you will see a message that would say waiting room will open soon. Do not refresh constantly, just keep the page open. Now when the button changes to join waiting room, you just have to click on it immediately. So once you are in, you will see a countdown or spinning screen. So you just have to stop clicking on that, and Ticketmaster will automatically move you into the queue when sales alert. So next important step that you need to keep in mind is speed boost. Before sale time, you can close other browser tabs. If you are using any VPN, make sure that you turn it off too. You can also pause the downloads or streaming. So this is going to help the page load faster when the queue opens. So here are some of the optional tips as well. Like you can open the same event page on your phone and on your laptop. So you can first of all log in both, and when waiting room opens, you can just simply join on both, whichever moves faster. Just you can use that one. So the big mistake that people make and I want you to avoid is do not refresh this particular page. So never refresh it again and again in the waiting room. Refreshing can slow down or reset your spot. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.